Orlando Pirates' chances to bring in a new defender could be progressing to an advanced stage, the SR crew has reported. Insiders privy to information have indicated that Bucks are particularly focused on strengthening their defense for the coming season. Sokaladum had previously reported how Kaizer Chiefs, Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns were all looking at Stellenbosch FC star player. Sources have indicated that the former Sundowns development player has attracted the Buccaneers for a while now and that they have been monitoring his progress with the aim to sign him. They are believed to be negotiating for the signature of Steelers defender Thabo Moloisane. As a second source added that it won't be easy to price the player because Stellenbosch rates him highly. As much as the talks are going on and Pirates want to land the player, it won't be easy. After all, Stellenbosch are also a good team, and the only main difference would be the magnitude of playing for Pirates with its rich history compared to Stellenbosch. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.